how the sun giving the light, how the water coming
Yeah.
from the ocean going to the up, making the cloud, and then pushed by the air and the
Right.
heat by the mountain, or like this and that, and
Right.
the water coming down, and the water giving the food or feeding the plants.
manna?
Plants, the plants.
Right.
And the plants coming from the
Oh, I
earth,
see.
and they giving us different type of fruits, and
Right.
then all animals, birds, human nations, they are eating,
Teleological argument.
and they are
This is-
surviving. So the cycle is going on. It's called the wisdom. Not everybody get this wisdom.
So is God a person or is God a thing?
God is the power. God not visible.
But is he a person?
I tell you, then you understand very easily. If I give some example, you see the water. You know the water?
Uh-huh.
When you're thirsty, you drink it, yes?
Right.
I said, this water in English is called the water, yes?
Yep.
The Indian language is called the jal.
Mm-hmm. Joel.
Same thing. When
Right.
they're thirsty, they drink it.
Mhm.
In Arabic language called the ma. When they're thirsty, they drink it.
Right.
So three languages, three things, yes?
Right.
And my country language, we call the pani. The four language, four names. But the materials,
Right.
what is the material?
It's the same. It's water.
Same.
Right. Yeah.
When you thirsty, you drink water. When you pipasha, you tumi pan karo pani. This is my language.
Right.
You know, whenever you pipasarto, you English. I already coming in the English. You know, the different
Right.
language they explain. You know, the same thing, but the sound is different.
I see.
You understand?
So is everyone right?
The same thing. The God.